Hey guys, Alex from Oric here. Thought we'd give you a quick little update on where things are at. So firstly, hope everyone's had a really safe and restful Christmas and New Year's period. As you can see here, I'm in the middle of moving at the moment, so my place is a bit of a mess. Just on the app side of things, I will show a little quick app update video here, I reckon. So we're really excited to be rolling out this new Wi-Fi setup process in the app. So the original setup process to connect your device to your home Wi-Fi was a little bit finicky, had quite a bit of feedback on that. So we're really excited to be rolling out this Wi-Fi provisioning strategy instead. Yeah, check that video out just up here. Also too, we've just started our next large batch of oil production and is going really smoothly. Really excited to be getting that going. And later this week, we'll have a quick little update on the device. So yeah, stay tuned for that and we'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.